Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Assassin here. And god damn it, I thought I had this thing set up. There it is, okay. That's more or less of a good sign. So welcome back to the channel. And welcome to Subnautica. Now in today's video, I have no idea what I'm doing. But yeah. I thought maybe if I did a video on this shit, that, you know, I could start a new series, because why the hell not? So, yeah. Anyways, let's get started on today's goal. And that is to, I don't know what today's goal is. But let's just catch some fish real quick. Actually, you know what? This is what we need to do. We need to make a welder. To let's see some tools, and let's see what we need to make a welder. A welder needs magnesium, some crashes powder, and titanium. So that's not at all hard to get, except for maybe the like limestone. There it is. Our first. So there's the titanium. That's all we really needed. And now what we need to make that magnesium is some quartz. I'm pretty sure quartz is what we need to make magnesium. No. What we need to make magnesium is some salt deposits, and that's about like 3 of them. So, fabricator's program to construct tools. So anyways, now I had the game, and I was kind of bored. So, and I was like, hey, why not make a video? It's like, hey, here it is in the video. So, I do the worst commentary when it comes to videos like this. This is gonna be like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Jeez. Anyways, still haven't found any. No salt deposits. Which is pretty fucking bullshit. I can't find it.
Emergency.
Well,
10 seconds of oxygen.
Because that means you guys are gonna have to wait. I don't want to waste any more time on this, so I'm just gonna pause the video right here real quick. That way I don't have to waste time on having to find it. So, yeah. Check it out, guys. It hasn't been like at least... How long has this been, actually? It hasn't even been 5 minutes. I've already found a sea glide fragment. And, it kind of sucks how I don't have a scanner. But anyways, yeah, I found a few... Just like 2 salt deposits, and I know where to find them now. They're like in little bunches over here. So we gotta head back to the life pod, make some magnesium, and I think a computer chip. Oh no, crash fish powder. That's what I need. Oh, batterfish. Let me catch this thing real quick. Back here. Get in my fucking inventory. God damn, these things are slippery. Stop messing around with me. Stop taunting me. Yeah, that's right, bitch. You're mine. Alright, so I got that. God damn. It's not what I was aiming to get. I'm gonna drop that real quick. And we're gonna head back out. So this is the Xbox One edition, so keep in mind it's gonna be a little laggy. Frame rate wise. Hey, check that out. Let's go full hop. And here we go, magnesium. And now we just need some crash fish powder. And let's cook some fish. Yeah, I definitely fish more than I do need the water. So I think we'll do good on water for now. Now, where do we go? Oh yeah, we gotta find at least some sort of cave someplace, and This place is actually quite rich in minerals. I'm glad I spawned here. So, let's see, we need to find a cave. Or anything related to a cave so we can find some crushed fish. Because crushed fish love to just live in those little spots. And after we build our welder, we're going to go ahead and build a rebreather, or maybe just an O2 tank. Oh, look, here we go. Now we just gotta find the entrance to that thing. Nighttime approaches. Is this it? No. Where is the entrance to it? Is this the entrance? Hello? Hello? No one? Well, that's kind of cool. Oh, maybe that's the entrance. Hello? No, it's just another damn tube. Yeah. Help! Help, I'm trapped! Oh, never mind. So we need to find a way to get... Oh, here it is. Hello! Oh, crash fish. Please, no! Okay, so it exploded right there. Please tell me you left some powder. Nope, you left a fucking egg. Yeah, okay, I hear them. I hear them. So let's go get some oxygen real quick. I think that's... Yeah, we're 7 minutes into the video, so you know, why not? That's our goal for today's video, is to repair the life pod. I hear him, just don't see him. Oh, that's just you making those damn sounds. I thought there was another crash fish around here. Oh, no. Well, yeah, this is where the crash fish love to hang out. In those kind of spots right there. So until day comes, it's where we're going to be able to see some more stuff. But for now, we're stuck with what we can see right now. That is absolutely nothing. That's clearly a wall right there, so it's time to dip.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen
Well,
remaining.
I'm gonna die here. RIP assassin. Couldn't find the exit. God damn it. Oh well. Until I find another one. So I decided, why not make a flashlight? I was like, okay, cool. But then I realized, oh wait, hey, you need some silicone rubber. And you know what you need to make silicone rubber? Some lube. Thankfully, I just found the fucking creep vine over here. That's quite fortunate, because that's exactly what I needed, is some creep vine. And 9 minutes, so that leaves us with 6 minutes left of the video. My apologies, but you know, hey, that's almost every YouTube video on YouTube is about 15 minutes long. So you know, I make the okay, so that's about all we need, is 6 of them. And then after that, we can go ahead and make a battery. Oh, okay, I have enough. I was about to say, damn, I really needed some of the, what's it called, copper. And I had mined a whole bunch of copper until know, I hate when you're so close to building something and you're just missing that one little, what's it called, thing. So let's go ahead and make some silicone rubber. And let's go down here and make a nice little knife. Weapons were removed from standard survival blueprints following the massacre of Orbit 6 Prime. As an essential survival tool for 2.5 million years, the knife remains the only exception. Sorry about that. Well, that's kind of bullshit. It's not my fault. Shitloads of people got murdered. But let's go make some of the lubricant, because I don't want this stuff to really get in the way. Glass. And here we are. Oh yeah, got a knife. Okay, so let's go. So what we need is some table coral. And I think 3 of those things, I'm pretty sure, to make a battery and some table coral. So well, guys, I'm afraid our goal has been moved, and now we just gotta make some stuff. You know, basic survival tools, you know? Because we were not able to do it as we planned to.
Emergency. 10 seconds.
Shut the fuck up. I don't care.
Caution. Continued degradation of the Aurora's drive core may cause a quantum detonation. Calculating risk assessment. Death by malnourishment, 7%.
Ah,
By
yeah.
physical injury, 11%. By
It's not
exposure
good.
to radioactive crash
I do
site
not
materials,
think that we were going to survive
90%.
that best.
If
But
the
okay.
drive core is breached, probability of death increases to 65%.
That's not good. It's okay. Oh, there it is. Now, back over here. Let's see how much time we got. 12 minutes. Alright. So yeah, I guess we're not really gonna have it finished. That's okay. It's not good. So we did manage to make an O2 tank, and that's exactly what we needed. And let's see, the tools. What was I gonna make? I was gonna make a flashlight, which requires battery and glass. I used the last bit of glass, so fuck. Let's make some more. And let's make a battery. Battery. And then let's go down here. And fuck it. All I need to do is just go get one more acid mushroom, and then we'll make another battery. And then we'll make the scanner. And then boom. Battery. Scanner. And there it is. So unfortunately, we were not able to repair my life pod in this episode. But hey guys, that's episode 1. And you know, not everything is able to get done on the first episode. So if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like. Tell me what you thought about it in the comments. And leave a comment. Shit. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.